In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage domains and websites using HostGator's cPanel. Navigating through cPanel might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find it quite manageable and even efficient for your website management tasks. Let's dive in. First things first, let's log into your HostGator cPanel. To do this, open your web browser and head to the HostGator website. Once there, you will need to enter your username and password to access your cPanel dashboard. It's important to keep your login details secure to protect your websites from unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, we'll focus on adding a new website domain to your account. For this, we need to go to the Add-on Domains section. You'll find it under the Domains category on your cPanel homepage. Clicking this will take you to the Add-on Domains page, where you can manage all your additional domains beyond your primary one. Now, let's add a new domain. Enter the domain name you want to add in the appropriate field. Make sure you've registered this domain or plan to register it shortly. As you type it in, remember to avoid typos to prevent errors. After you've entered the domain, the system will automatically generate a document root folder name for you. This folder is essentially where all the files for your new domain will reside. You can leave it as suggested or customize it to something you'll easily recognize later. After setting up your domain and document root, it's time to upload your website files. You will do this by navigating to the File Manager within cPanel, which you can access from the main dashboard. Once there, proceed to the newly created document root folder associated with your new domain name. Inside this folder, you can upload all your website files. Simply drag and drop your files here, or use the upload button to manually locate and upload them from your computer. This will ensure your website has all the necessary files to function correctly. Sometimes you may want to rename an existing website or make changes to the primary domain. To do this, you will either need to update the primary domain setting itself or move your website files to a new document root folder. If you choose to move files to a new folder, ensure that all related settings such as database connections or URL paths within your website's configuration are updated accordingly. This will prevent errors or downtime on your site. Mastering domain management using HostGator's cPanel can greatly streamline your web administration tasks. By carefully